So in this video, we are discussing Euro USD and the opportunities we can take advantage of this very coming week. In my previous video, I made us understand that we are seeing bearish reversal in the Euro USD. So, and that bearish reversal was informed by this double top that we are seeing, and a double top is a bearish reversal pattern. And we also saw the break of this very ascending channel. We can see the channel right here. This is the channel. So the market was moving within the channel, but we got a break at this point. Now, we've just seen the market bounce off from this other trend line. This is also another trend line. So we have this descending channel, and the market has just reclaimed it, and now about reclaiming this very key level. This is a key level. So now we're seeing that this is a fake out, a downside fake out below this very channel. That means that we're going to see an extended move to the upside, okay? And we can also confirm that we have not retested this very trend line since it was broken at this point. So expect price to come up to the top of this very trend line, and most likely we may even see price hit the top of this very channel before we see price come down to this very point, because that will be the height of this very double top pattern. All right, so we have imbalances right here from this very candle, from this bearish move right here. We have imbalances all the way, so it's not time to begin to short the Euro USD despite the fact that we're seeing a bearish reversal, unless we see the price come below this very channel again. That's the only time you should short the Euro USD. But if the price remains above this very channel bottom and also above this very key level, that means we'll be retesting this very trend line, which is also a channel bottom, and also most likely hitting the top of this very channel, and from there move back down to this very area. So you should be aware that this reclaim of this very channel is a bullish signal that will take Euro USD back to these very areas to fill up the imbalances around here and possibly complete the symmetry by touching the top of this channel. Then from there we can see a move back down to this very point. Also know that there is imbalance created here already. That means that the markets will be returning back to this area. If you are a counter trend trader, you can even take a long position as long as price is above this very level. So with a stop loss just below this point, and then target these highs until the imbalances are filled, then you can join the market coming down. So either ways you can make money from this very currency pair, but never trade without stops. So once we get to the top of this channel, sellers should begin to look for short opportunities around these areas with stop loss above here, then targeting is very low. So that is how I'll be approaching Euro USD this very period. And remember, this is just one of the strategies that I teach in my mobile trading accelerator course to help struggling traders as well as beginner traders become consistently profitable in the market. So you can check out the link to the course, as I'm offering a massive 80% discount right now, and you will thank me later. Thank you for watching, and do have a great day.